Welcome to Bangkok! Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video is the beginning of our Thailand trip! Yay! Today is currently the 2nd of July. So my sister, who's coming from Qatar, is having her holiday from school, from university. And she decided to come here in the Philippines, and we've been tossing back and forth on what we're gonna do, and of course we wanted to get out of town or go on an out of town trip, and we were tossing between like Cebu or Boracay, and for some reason she said, oh, I kind of want to go to Thailand. I was like, okay, I love the food, the culture and everything, but it's not one of my lists of countries I want to go to. So I was like, okay, and then I was trying to convince her to just like visit some places here in the Philippines, because this country is so beautiful that there's so many things to explore. But then my dad was like, it's her choice, it's her vacation, you should give her what she wants. I was like, you know what, yeah. And then I completely forgot that my cousin Justin and my other cousin Cheska have always wanted to go to Thailand. So I hit them up and I was like, hey, actually Chai and you guys wanted to go to Thailand, why not we make a trip out of it? So after a lot of planning, a lot of researching, spending several days on watching vlogs, watching the requirements, things to do, things not to do, just a lot of watching and a lot of like researching, we finally came to a point where we've decided the hotel and the flight. So right now, as we start the vlog, I am finally booking our flight to Bangkok, Thailand! Also, shout out to my cousin Cheska, because last May she celebrated her 18th birthday. So happy birthday to you, Cheska! So yeah, I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna book our flights. Let's go! Hey guys! So we just finished check-in and we're on our way to immigration. Yep. It's a bit stressful because it's a morning flight and traffic, and of course, we have to be more on time, but it's okay. Good thing that we don't have to line up. We can just go straight into business class line, even though our ticket is economy. Apparently, if you're a staff, you don't have to go through the economy lane. So yeah, we're so excited. We're going to Bangkok. Hey guys, so I'm here at the airport and okay, ready na kayo? Yeah. Let's go!
Hey guys! So mga agaw muna ako ng vlog. Anong masasabi mo sa ating trip?
Expect a lot of food. Bangkok daw.
Gate 7.
Gate 9?
Hi guys! Hi guys! See you Thailand. See you later. After 3 hours.
Let's go roll your family. Rock and roll, yeah. Thank you. Woo, let's go! Let's go! Welcome to Bangkok! Natural to, natural! We arrived at 11 a.m. So that's the aircraft that we arrived in, and we're now walking to our luggages. Hello vlog.
Welcome to Thailand.
Thank you. Are you the driver?
Yes.
Okay. What's your name?
Look again. Okay.
Ay, dito sa kanan siya.
Driver seat.
What's your name?
My name is
Neat.
Yes, Neat.
Neat.
Yes.
Neat.
Nagdadagdag ka ng P pag mas matanda
from?
sa'yo. Philippines.
How many days?
6 nights.
Oh,
1 week.
1 week.
One
okay.
week, one
Good,
week.
good.
Which good restaurant?
Yeah. MBK.
MBK.
Siam Palaton. Oh, Dar es Salaam. 6 o'clock. Chinatown. Very nice.
6 o'clock Chinatown. I thought it's only open on weekdays.
Yeah, Chinatown.
Weekends.
Look there.
Ah, okay. Tama pala, just
Very
di
nice.
pala.
Small money.
Open siya pero...
Money, yeah.
5 o'clock open แล้ว 5 o'clock open แล้ว okay.
5 o'clock.
You shower, you sleeping, okay. For the Chinatown. Good, very nice.
Everybody's working. Nice. Bangna. So we are already in our room. So we're staying at Narawad Boutique Hotel, and it's very cheap. I think for 6 days, 6 nights, it's only 8,000 pesos, or maybe like depends on the foreign exchange. So at this point, which is July 2022, it's around 8 to 10,000 pesos for 6 nights, and we have a king size bed, which is like 2 single bed combined. And the toilet is very pretty. So this is the toilet. It's very chic and it's giving minimalist vibe. And we can't believe literally that this is the toilet that we have with the price that we paid. It's amazing. Very clean. They have a bidet, which is very, very important. Also, the lighting is very bougie. See? I like their switch chai. It's so cute.
I think we can request for more hangers.
That's the problem. They don't have a closet.
We have an overview of the...
Let me see. Dun-dun-dun-dun. So this is the view.
Hi ate! Sawari ka!
Sawadika. Pero happy. So yeah, that's our room tour. 7-Eleven haul.
Move! I want to join.
Let's try. Video, tita.
That's my goal.
Dito ka ba?
It was so spicy!
Maanghang tapos
Pero masarap na.
lasang shrimp. Next. Spicy tomato.
Patikim!
Sarap.
Lasang lace.
Good.
O, ito.
Lasang lace na ketchup.
Next is this one.
Mas
All snacks are worth 50 baht below.
50 baht lang.
Yeah!
Yes.
50 baht!
Most of this is
Sawadee ka, Tokton Justin na ka.
Okay. Parang ketchup na sweet.
Patikin. Ang lagi ko naman.
Pasensya na po kayo sa mga manonood.
Ay, gagayahin ko si Katniel, si Katniel.
Ah!
Wow.
O, next
Nakailang
one.
wow siya.
Mukhang ano to, sweet.
Sweet ball.
Matamis. Pang mga may mga sweet tooth.
Patikin. Hindi lang yan. Ayun, look ito. Push. Baba na. Yan.
Man, hot chili. Let's see. Basta na natin.
Mas masarap to kaysa.
Mas masarap to. Mas masarap to kaysa dito, guys. Sabay din. Pero feeling ko, ito pinakamasarap to. Wala pa kami lunch eh. 2 o'clock na sa Pilipinas.
Nori made from Thailand. Endorsed by Win Matawin.
What sabi ko? Ano flavor? Plastic flavor. Ano flavor?
Masarap.
Sarap. Plastic flavor.
Mas masarap dun sa ano.
Wala lang.
Bibili natin sa box.
Ha. Ay, naku. Ito, gusto ko rin.
Wala na?
Pero mas masarap yung ano black. Sarap.
Last chicheria.
Alas chicheria.
Made by endorsed by
Hindi siya yung bite weight.
ano, mas nauna sila magbuo ng beer series.
Parang may nanalo na kay Chay. Hindi na binitawan eh.
Ah.
Oh!
Which one? Ayuda para sa bawat pamilya.
Okay, buksan
Ayuda,
na.
bigay dun sa
Ay,
batang
hindi.
ano.
Isa na lang, tig-isa tayo. Kaya ako na buksan yung isa.
Shinmai. Di ba sarap?
Wala to, para itong mga rice cake na ano,
Parang,
Rice pa.
bakit lahat ba ang
Mama, may kumain dito eh.
Oo nga.
This is gluten free.
Parang may peanut.
Chicken bulalo.
Peanut ba yun?
Ayan, no, yan kasi flavor.
Ano to?
Ginger.
Bulalo.
Parang burrito, ano?
Korean spicy chicken flavor. Chicken flavor na lang sa akin.
Sarap.
Ah,
Paano mo masasabihin na masarap? Di mo pinakain sa akin dati. Kailangan
Ay, sorry.
makain tayo isa.
It's kinuha ni Justin eh. Oh.
Parang kimchi.
Ang ahang.
Oishi honey lemon. Oishi honey gulay.
Kamusta yung pasta?
Uy, sarap nito. I like it.
Ang yan
Aroy,
siya.
aroy. Aroy.
Very good daw, Aroy.
This is like mogu mogu. Diba?
Buksan mo na yung kailangan ng tubig.
Para siyang mogu mogu.
Ang hang!
Meron siyang ano.
Ang anghang nito, guys.
Yung
Ito.
black coffee. Ito ko.
Ayan, nanalo din.
Tsaka to.
This one for me.
So, walang unanimous. Lahat iba-iba. So, masarap lahat. Okay, guys. See you later.
Bye.